Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how to operate your seats control on the Mercedes. It's controlled by this on the corner. Passenger has one as well. So this is for the headrest. So you can push it down to bring it down. Can you hear it? And you pull it up to bring it back up. And this will bring the back of the rest forward and backwards. This will raise your seat up and down, so you push it. Oh no, yeah, so push it up to push it that way. You can push it forward to push your car thingy. You pull it to bring it back, and this is for your seat bolster. This bit here, push it down, goes down, push it up. You see, it raises it. Oh, that is breaking my ass. Okay, so yeah, push it back down, and you can pull it inwards. That'll bring the seat backwards, like I said. So yeah, that's pretty cool controls. I like that. Very nice of Mercedes.